When you're creating videos, you're probably experimenting with different kinds of narration. And you have probably found that it's difficult to surpass the ease and simplicity of an AI narrator. Today we'll look at two options for creating AI narration for your videos. The first is the popular, user-friendly Clipchamp. Clipchamp's free option has many useful features, including text, narration, transitions, and a free music library. For this example, let's make a quick video with 3 steampunk ladies and an excerpt from the 1860 bestseller, The Lady's Book of Etiquette and Manual of Politeness. After opening the Clipchamp software, we click on Import Media and add the image of the ladies to the timeline. Since the image is to narrow to fill the 16:9 frame, we will add a background. Click on Content Library on the left side and choose a background. To begin the narration, click on Record and Create on the left side, and scroll down to Text-to-Speech. On the right side, choose a voice and copy and paste your text in the box. Then click Save. Adjust the speed as needed and stretch the video to fit the audio. I added a close-up of the 3 ladies and a second paragraph of narration. Now we can add captions by clicking on Captions in the upper right corner. A Transcribe with AI box will appear. Click on Transcribe Media. The captions automatically generate. Let's take a look at our finished clip.
First upon the list of accomplishments comes the art of conversing well. It is always ready. Circumstances in society will constantly throw you into positions where you can use no other accomplishment. You will not have a musical instrument within reach. Singing would be out of place on many occasions, and then you can exert your most fascinating as well as useful accomplishment, the art of conversing well.
That clip is a resounding success. I created the clip with all accompanying effects and exported it for free. For our second tutorial, let's visit Captions, a new, innovative company specializing in AI speech effects. Captions has just released a free plan, but in my eagerness to try out their software, I bypassed their free features and tried out one of their advanced specialties: the AI avatar narrator. The narrator's voice and appearance are remarkably lifelike. Many custom options are available. When I copied and pasted my 1860s etiquette book quote, I was impressed with how quickly the video was generated. The software created a dynamic new title for my video. There was one more big surprise in store. The AI software beautifully rewrote my text. Captions transformed the book excerpt with an upbeat, modern style. A book written in the 19th century was now ready for a 21st century audience. Captions offers a variety of paid plans for content creators. I plan to experiment further with their paid and free features.